Hello everybody, it's time to prepare for the annual New Year's Eve Nacho Fest and watch the ball drop on the vintage TV sets. We'll power them up and see what they do. I'm going to start out with the 1948 Admiral. Been a minute since it was started up. Get them going and then put some signal to them and see what happens. We got a little bit of something happening there. No signal yet. I had to get a new cable box, so don't know if I've got everything hooked up yet just right or not. But we'll let that sit there for a minute. Let's move on to the 73 pin crest. I hear signs of life. And looks like we have some life out of this one after all. And again, not too sure about our signal source. Thought the DTV converter was hooked up. May have to mess with that a little bit. About the 76 Panasonic. That one usually comes right up. And today's no exception. And we'll go ahead and get the 1975 GE Portacolor going. I don't know what kind of tin whiskers will snap and pop, but we'll see what happens. And the Portacolor came up. And that one's got signal. Have to check all my connections. Guess sound's another situation. There we go. Nice digital signal there.
It's cold, it'll be cold again tomorrow. We'll start recovering.
So at least I got a baseline. Everything is functional. Just got to work on the signal. So I'll come back in a little bit and see what I have come up with to get this signal a little better. Okay, good news. Get the signal restored to all four of these. I'll go ahead and mute that. So that's kind of an idea how everything's working at this point in time. We're going to be in business. Since I have signal restored, see if the 77 Magnavox will do anything today. Powered up. Definitely got high voltage. Clock is somewhat right. Oh, we got something coming up there. How about that? That's right on the clock now. So we're a little fuzzy in here, but it is working. Now that the TVs are going, I've got the setup going out here in my nacho center. So I got the crispy rounds. Going to be going with the Colby Jack cheese this year. Got the cheese slicer, got the good old bean dip, and my official nacho plate. And we can't forget about the round indicator, the old Cadillac chime. Let's check in on the Igloo Plenticool. I've had it going about an hour. Feeling some warmth out of the top of it. Oh yeah, we're getting there. We're getting close to the zone. So that's going, and nacho plates all set up. And we are all set. So just time to wait for the big event. So once again, this has been getting prepared for Nacho Fest and Vintage TV viewing for 2025-26 New Year. Thank you for watching.